Hello my friends, walashe, walalo, soduo, havengi wanaksan, aniwa kuchela ye. I've missed you people and I love you. Thank you for liking whatever I do. Thank you for supporting me, and for those who are sending comments, please, I just want to say thank you for encouragement and thank you for not leaving me. I love you people, and please, if you love what I do, just share, subscribe, and know what you can do and support me, please. I love you people. I'm going to teach you the words in Somali and English.
I know how to speak Somali.
How do you know how to speak English? Naya maha?
Ah,
Maha?
aniga Somali jaded why?
Okay. Aya hita fadiso. Taratibu fadiso. Firi. Afka her. Aya. The first word is English. Glass.
Grease,
Bakeri wae. Moon.
Muni,
Bill wae. Broom.
Boom,
Hak wae. Tortoise. Dini
Totoise,
wae. Mahana ya. Afka her. Ka Somal. Maya. Razor blade.
Rezo why?
Sakini wae. Needle.
Nedo,
Arbat wae. Banana.
Bano,
Moss. Maize.
Hindi,
Sabul wae. Naya. Maha. Madhawen. Afka her. Hawa. Ni wa kutuma walaya, ni wa kutuma. Wa. Taratibu. Fadiso. Then the next is belt.
Baruro,
Soon wae. Rod. Jid. Plate. Sahan
Sahano,
wae. Knife used to cut. Mindi.
Kiso,
Spoon.
Spoon,
Spoon. Hanto wae. In front.
behind,
Hore. Back.
front,
Back mahawa.
front why?
Gadal wae. Back
Front
naya.
why?
Flower.
Lawa,
Uba. Naya. Uba. Afka hir. Uba wae. Tree.
Miti why?
Gate wae. Kas Kiswahili wae maha. Pig. Pig mahawa.
Pigo,
Dofar. The next is meat.
Mito why?
Hilip. Afka wen wae. We have spider. Spider mahawa.
Spudo why?
Spider mahawa. Spider. Aro. Do you know aro? Aro matakan. Nah, yeah. Please like, share, and subscribe. I love you people. Thank you.